You keep saying you wanna talk, but what you wanna talk about? And when it's time to speak facts, you don't wanna talk it out, so don't dare. What's up, y'all? Period. Skin is giving, because you already know. I got these back here so they can be out of my way. But as y'all just seen, I just made breakfast.
Here it is. I'm about to eat it. I have some turkey sausage, beef bacon, eggs, scrambled eggs with cheese, and some hash browns, home fries, and some caramel coffee that I made. And I don't like my eggs like super scrambled and like overdone. I like my eggs done but not overdone, because people forget when you take stuff off, especially with eggs, it's still cooking even if you turn the heat down, take it off the burner. So like I stop it a little bit before like it's done, because then it, you know, fully cooked. And I use water to make my eggs fluffy. I don't use milk, because it just hit different with the water. And of course, you know, I got some syrup, because I love me some syrup, honey. I need to like move up. I need one of them things, them eating trays. I just be using a little like scrap paper book. I was gonna make pancakes, but I knew I really wanted the bacon, the sausage, and the coffee for sure. And I was like, the home fries, I'm trying to decide, like, should I do pancakes or eggs? Pancakes or eggs? I'm like, I don't do pancakes. I'm like, this is a lot of food, but it's good. I love beef bacon way over turkey bacon. Like, I love freaking beef bacon. It is so good. Because I know I'm definitely not eating the swine, but a lot of people don't sell beef bacon. Only thing I can say about beef bacon, like, when you have the meat part, it slap. The only thing is, people feel like it's mad chewy. It's because it has a lot of fat. So you gotta get like a real good cut of beef bacon, because they do have a lot of fat. That's the only thing. It's so good, but with beef bacon, it's a lot of fat. It's more fat than like the actual meat part like this, but you have to get a good like joint of the beef bacon. But it's the best bacon. Like, from what I remember of pork bacon, beef bacon slap. It tastes so much better than pork, and definitely tastes better than turkey. Turkey tastes like cardboard or like plastic, especially the kind you get in the market. I feel like it's certain places that like be having their own like chickens and stuff in the back, and turkeys, like be having their own farm animals, and they like make their own stuff. They be having a better like turkey bacon. It's from it's one place, I can't remember where it's at. I want to say Yanks, near where I live, I think, or maybe Sammy Sam's, I don't know, whose like turkey bacon is actually good, because it's not like that cardboardy turkey that they sell in the market, because that turkey bacon gives very much, it's made out of plants. But yes, I filmed the video yesterday, well, last night real late, to try to film something and get something out. Originally, I wanted to film what's in my work bag, but then I'm just like, that don't really give after I thought about it, because I don't have that much in my work bag. I'm gonna think about it to see if I still want to film it or not. But I tried to do like this makeup, but I did the makeup like, I did a lot of different stuff when I did the makeup. So I was just like, I don't really want to post that, because I really have nothing to talk about. So I'm like, I might just do a little vlog. Today I want to do my toes. I need to do my toes. They got like black hair dye on it from when I was washing my hair in the shower. I want to do my toes because they also finally grew out of length. Because as y'all know, or some of y'all might know if you follow me like on my Instagram, but like in the summer I had the press-ons on my toes for the first time, and it was cute. It definitely gave like acrylics, but it had like messed my toes up. Like, my toes were so brittle, and they like broke down like far, like all the way like back here. I'm just like, what is going on? And it didn't hurt. It was just so soft and brittle, and it just broke all the way back there. So I literally had to wait for my toes to grow out. So at one point in the summer, like I think I was wearing like a lot of slides, and I couldn't wear no sandals because my toes. So they finally grew out. months later, literally months later, so I can like paint them and stuff. Even though it's cold, it's not like I'm wearing my toes out, but still, I just like to have my feet painted. But yeah, so I'm about to eat the rest of this. Watch some. What is this in the big? Where this heart piece of fat is. I'm about to eat the rest of this and then yeah. I'm gonna make some press-ons later too. I might film a little bit of that, but this is gonna be like a little just body vlog. I don't do much in my day, so yeah.
When I doubt, cause I know what this about. You gon' have to figure it out, cause I'm not waiting for you. Put myself first, that's important. And when I'm gone, then they don't come.